No, basically we have analyzed the CCTV recordings. CCTV recordings they were actually traveling in a very high speed. We can't exactly say what was the reason for that particular accident, but prima facie there are 2-3 possibilities. The possibility was like either he would have dozed off, because the victim told us like he was working very hard the entire day and that we were driving at night. What might be one reason. Second reason might be like he was traveling very fast, and the video it is seen he was trying to overtake a jeep which was traveling very slowly, and after overtaking the jeep he lost his decision making skill, which side to take, whether to take left or right, and in that spur of the moment he tried to apply the brakes and the vehicle skidded. Because of the pace it went to the other side and hit the bushes there, and which led to the death.
Oh, drink and drive ka bhi kuch.
See, there are two ways in which we generally see whether there is any alcohol. Prima facie, there would be a smell if there is alcohol content, and the doctor generally says there was alcohol. But in this case, we haven't seen any alcohol content in the initial examination. But the detailed examination happens after the viscera examination, which takes some time. So we have sent the viscera to the FSL, and based on the report only we will be able to say whether there was an alcohol or not. But as of now, there has been no indication of any alcohol consumption.